Hi everyone and welcome back. I just wanted to do another Erin Condren unboxing. I'm super excited about. I purchased some stuff you'll see when we open it, but I just like the box is really pretty purple. Purple is my favorite color, so that was super exciting when I saw it on my front porch tonight. And actually it came a day early, which is super exciting because Erin Condren's been doing a lot of shipping recently, and I think with opening the flagship store, they've done a really great job of making sure that things are getting out on time and even early, so that's super exciting. So the only thing, I went ahead and opened it with the tape, and it came again with the little gift tag and the card, and so I think I have figured out why you get the colors you get. So my box is purple and it's April, and in the life planner and the monthly deluxe and even my teacher planner, April is purple. And I think because it shipped in April, it came in a purple box. I ordered it in March, and that's why I think I got this color for the postcard and the gift tag, because my lesson plan box I bought in March and it shipped in March, and it came in a green box with the March kind of colorway, this really pretty kind of like pastel-y green, with the same postcard, the well done is better than well said. So I think after my years of like buying Erin Condren and just kind of looking at her stuff, I think that's how the color system works. I might be totally wrong. So if you think, just leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. But I think that's where we're going. So let's go ahead and open this. So excited. Okay, so the first thing I see when I open my box, I bought some of her adhesive divider tabs, which you'll see why in a minute. So these are the metallic, just colorful ones, mostly because these are the only ones that were in stock. So that's what I got at the time. I also bought the mini sticker calendar collection. I'm really excited to use these. And let's see, I got the months in the black and metallic, because again, these are the only colors I had in stock. So I did really want the colorful ones, but they didn't have them in stock, so that is fine. And then, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, so excited. Okay, so then the next thing I got was the designer sticker book. And so this is the monthly collection. So I'm really excited about this so that I can, so it's got all these really pretty stickers for every month. So it's kind of like a monthly kit to an extent. You've got some washi tape, you've got some half boxes, full boxes, some functionals, some decos. March was really pretty. I'm kind of sad I didn't have this for March. And then we have April is this, like I said, this really pretty purple pastel color. So then you've got, let's see, May is that kind of, ooh, May is really pretty. May, June, July. Oh, that's fun. I like this kind of paint splatter washi. It's like kind of patriotic, but not like over the top. August is donuts. I'm not really sure what this whole food craze is. I'm not really into that, but it's really pretty coloring. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Ooh, September's nice. Sorry, I know it's kind of dark, but my kid is sleeping and he finally got in bed, so sorry about that. October obviously is for Halloween, and I really like the washi options. So November is kind of those really pretty fall colors, and then December, the green and the reds, and that's it. But I'm so excited about this. But what I'm mostly excited about, and really why I placed the order in the first place, oh my gosh, this is so small. Okay, so I got the monthly deluxe planner with the black coil, because I really wanted a black coil on my lesson plan book, but my planner cover that I got for my lesson plan book, it had rose gold on it, so I got the rose gold. But so I'm super excited about the black coil. It's really pretty. And so as you can see, I did I think this one's called like the Starburst or something, but I did it in a custom colorway. Like I said, purple's my favorite color. I did purple for the background, and then this turquoisey kind of color for the Starburst. And as you can see, this is going to be for our budgeting. I have kind of gone a little planner crazy, and I've been watching a lot of planning videos on YouTube, and I'm wanting to do some better budgeting for our family. I'm going to have to start paying back my student loans. Oh my gosh, this cover is so pretty. I love the dashboard, and you probably can't super see because of the glare, but you can see a little bit of the Starburst on the dashboard. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, so anyway, I got the monthly deluxe planner, so I can start going through and really sitting down and doing some purposeful planning with our budgeting as a family. My husband and I have 2 little ones, and I'm going to be finishing up school in May. Actually, I graduate May 11th, and so then we'll have to start paying back my student loans. So my goal is that this will really kind of help us get a head start on that. I've been watching, like I said, a lot of different channels about budgeting, and I have some really good ideas that I think can work for our family. But oh my god, I'm so excited. You guys don't even understand. Okay, so a quick little walkthrough. If you haven't seen the monthly deluxe, it is quite a bit thinner than like a life planner, and that's because it doesn't have so many pages in it, basically. But so you get, your really pretty title page, and I love this painted petals look. I did see a sneak peek at the 2018-19 stuff, and I have to say right now I think I'm gonna like the painted petals better. You get your quote pages. Erin Condren loves her quotes. You've got the rest of 2017, and then 2018, like calendar. So one thing I'm gonna do, and I think I saw this either from Jen Plans or my daughter Emily, maybe, or maybe Sarah Marie. I don't remember which one, so I apologize. But basically, they covered up all this extra with just some white sticker or paper or whatever, and I'm going to use that for kind of like a color key for what my budget colors are going to be. And I did order some Planner Kate stickers that haven't come in yet that I'm going to use on here for like just marking when things are due or when we get paid, things like that. So then you get the year at a glance, kind of whatever you want to fill these boxes in. I have no idea. So if you have ideas on what you use these boxes for, I'd be open to them. So, and then you get a dot, you get like a note page, a dot page, and then you go into you get your monthly view in the deluxe monthly, and then you get, sorry guys, then you get these like 5 just kind of horizontal boxes, and then just a little bit of line paper and a sidebar, and then it goes into the next month. So obviously, and then it has, I think it's like 40 pages or something of notes at the back. So, and then the one thing this one comes with just these like functional boxes, but I actually went ahead and ordered some Planner Kate ones because these are a little bit too big based on some of the things I've seen some other people use. And I know that a lot of our bills come out on the same day, so I want to be able to make sure I can get all of those bills in the monthly spread, because this is really the only place I'll be tracking it. I don't actually use a life planner right now because I was spending lots of money on them, and then they were just sitting in my closet. So I have my teacher lesson plan book that I use as like my life planner with just like dates and stuff. And actually, yeah, I think I have it. I can show you that really quick. Okay, sorry guys. So for a size comparison, the teacher lesson plan book, if you've never seen one, is gigantic, which is perfect for lesson planning because I need a lot of space, 7 classes. Even though I teach high school, I have 7 preps, so I need a lot of space. Whereas the monthly deluxe is, you know, the standard life planner size. So, but as you can see, for April, I have so much stuff in here already. I have student events, I have like my husband's work schedule in here, I have my life things, my homework stuff from my master's program, and then May's not filled in yet, but as you can see, graduation is on there. So, like I said, really excited. So I use my lesson plan book as my kind of like my life planner, and obviously my lesson planning. So, but I'm really excited about the budget planner, and it's so super pretty. Like, I can't wait to start doing this. So that's where I'm at, and then I'll do kind of like an update after I get it all kind of set up. The plan is obviously that I will use the monthly tabs because unlike a life planner or my lesson planner, the monthly deluxe doesn't come tabbed, and so the adhesive stick-ons will be used for that, and then the extra just plain metallic ones I'm planning on using these for like any extra stuff, like maybe like notes pages, marking like sinking funds. I want to start doing that, that kind of stuff on the notes pages in the planner. So, oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited. Okay, so that is all I have tonight. Sorry, you know, this is only my second or third video, so it's not super professional yet, but I'm getting there. So feel free to leave a comment below and let me know if you have any ideas on, you know, what I can use those pages for that I'm not really sure what to do with these boxes, because I'm not really good at filling those in. So yeah, that is everything for tonight, and I will see you later. Thanks.